Hello, I'm Alan with All About Stocks, and if you can see right behind me, it is solid white. I'm in Texas, DFW, and it's been about a year since we've had all this snow. You can remember last year we had and a week of snow, and it shut down Texas. Hopefully, we're not in for a week of snow, but it has been snowing all night. Well, take that back. It's been icing, just solid ice, just a little sleet. It's been great. All right, so let's talk about Ethereum. Um, Ethereum to NFTs, essentially. So, if you're interested in making, or not like Bitcoin making Ethereum, but per, making like you would going to work and making Ethereum, then you might want to make NFTs so that you can make Ethereum. Crypto's just got way out there now. Anyways, so I've done some research, and believe it or not, it's actually really hard to find out how to make NFTs. I don't understand why it's so hard, but hey, why not? Anyways, so from my understanding, you have to go to MetaMask, download MetaMask, go to Sandbox, download Sandbox, and once you do MetaMask Sandbox, sign in, then you can start creating. Now, the problem with all this is, yes, once you do all this, you can start creating NFTs. Now, the problem with, let me kind of distracting all the motion. Now, once you have created your MetaMask or Sandbox account and combine the two to start creating your NFTs, is you have to go into a group, kind of like the Ape Club. That way you can build for this group. The group will assign you a club or a project, and they will tell you, hey, we want you to build a pickaxe or a shovel, and you have to build just those. Eventually, you will work your way up to building an actual object, a person, a place, a thing, whatever. And this is how this works. You are paid by the job. Most people actually don't make money, from my understanding. Once again, this is just a research I've came across. Maybe I'm wrong. It's just what I've seen. But what they do is they take the money collectively, or at least the ape group does, and they do vacations, and everyone gets together and has a great time, and they then disperse a set amount of Ethereum to each person, which great. You've made some money, but it's not the $500 million or 20, 30 Ethereum or whatever that's being shown. The majority of people who are building the big units or the apes, or I don't know, whatever the foxes, I don't really know what's being built out there right now. The main objects are the main people getting the mass majority of Ethereum. Now, what trickles down, which once again goes to trickle down economics, is being given to those who are building the smaller objects, which is great. If you're not really doing anything at home and you're just playing around, learning the basics, no big deal. If you're just doing it for fun and hey, they're going to throw a party and you want to enjoy the party, great. If you're 18 years old and you're wanting to do all this, great. It may lead to bigger, better things down the road. Now, the reverse side is if you're 50 years old and you believe that this is going to get you a great savings and don't believe that this is the way to do it. Now, that's just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but everything that I've seen, there's just, the money's not there yet. And it might be there in 5-10 years. Who knows? Just, you got to look at Facebook's earnings last night. I mean, that's scary. I mean, the metaverse is the future. It's not coming for anytime soon. I mean, look what just happened. They lost, what, $500 million, was it? So, and you also have to say, well, hey, that's expected because they're innovating, but they also lost users. So, what's to be expected now? If they're losing users, losing money, where's everyone going? But with this NFT thing, it's, I don't know. Alright, well, I know a lot of people are interested in how to make NFTs. I haven't seen many videos on how to make them. I've seen a lot of videos on how to buy them. Seen a ton on what you can do with them. Just, if you can make them yourself instead of buying them, save you some money. So I figured I would do the research for you and provide it for you. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully you enjoy. Hopefully you learned something new. And if you have, please like, subscribe, comment down below if you enjoyed. And happy trading. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.